Hi, this dance is called La Gozadera, choreographed by Herman Baso from Indonesia and Ardiansyah Raka, also from Indonesia, on June 2024. There are 32 count, 4 walls, improver level line dance. There are 2 tags with 4 count at the end of wall 2 and wall 5. Okay, without wasting any more time, let's start with this section 1. Section 1, walk forward, right, left, and then continue with the right botafogo and make a quarter diamond left. Okay, and then left section 2, left samba whisk, and then right sachet and cross rock, side rock, and then make a quarter turn to left, coaster step. In section 3, make a fold the feel with heel touch, will hit, repeat, cross side heel touch together, and then make a cross shuffle, half turn left, continue cross shuffle. And then section 4, make a 3x4 volta turn to right. And then continue with left stationary samba together, rock back, recover, and then continue with kick, ball, step. Okay, let me repeat with the count. I'll do it slowly. Section 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Section 3, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7 and 8. For take 2 times takes 4 count after wall 2 and wall 5. It is out, out, and make a big hip roll only once with 2 count clockwise. Okay, with the count 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's all the tutorial of my new choreo collaborated with Ardiansyah Raka from Indonesia. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy the music, the choreo, and I look forward to see a demo version. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.